Hi. If you are conducting design reviews on equipment, machinery, or construction builds, whether you are the client or the vendor, let's transform your design reviews from spreadsheet marathons into insightful time machines. Meet Patrick, the project engineer. Patrick's design reviews consist of reviewing 2D technical drawings and schematics and reviewing 3D models on screen. Some information is easy to tick off, but Patrick is worried because he knows there are some issues which won't get called out until his stakeholders are stood in front of the built machine, and at that point the fixes are long and expensive. We believe that there is no substitute for your stakeholders spatially experiencing the equipment, and you will extract insights that would otherwise only materialize at FAT or even worse at commissioning. If you do not have 3D models, we will take your 2D drawings and create 3D models based on these. We can also carry out reality capture work on your behalf and create a realistic 3D representation of the installation location for the equipment. If you already have 3D models of any description, we will optimize your geometry and prepare it for real-time rendering. We'll discuss any specific requests with you, whether you'd like to include animations, interactivity, or scripted events, and we'll incorporate these into the app. Your stakeholders can choose to either immerse themselves fully in the virtual installation environment or to stay present in their surroundings and just place the equipment in front of them for review. They can take the headset to the installation location and place the equipment right there in its designated spot to evaluate the design with full context. Now for some examples. Patrick wanted cool 3D stuff, but some of the machines only had 2D drawings. No problem, we converted his drawings into 3D models. He also felt that having a model of the machine is only half the story, and he was absolutely right. We used reality capture tech to make a model of his installation location, giving Patrick a full picture of the future story. Patrick did have one awesome vendor who was happy to give him their 3D models. Nice, but it crashed in VR. We optimized them because that's our thing, and now they run smooth like butter. Patrick said the machine had important moving parts, but the model was still. So we created animations, and his stakeholders found it very moving. Design reviews are long, and Patrick's stakeholders seem to be zoning out. When he threw AR and VR into the mix, the team really switched on, spotting problems and design opportunities left, right, and centre. So to sum up, Patrick is spotting issues before they arise and seizing opportunities before they pass, avoiding the expense and delays of rework. If you'd like to find out more, be like Patrick. Give us a call or a message. We'd love to learn more about you.